Navigating new waters. Understanding a fish out of water. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, a fish out of water. This expression is a colorful way to describe a situation or feeling that many of us have encountered at some point in our lives. So, let's get into it and find out what it means to feel like a fish out of water. The phrase, a fish out of water, is used to describe someone who is feeling uncomfortable, out of place, or awkward in a particular setting or situation. Just like a fish cannot survive or function well outside its aquatic environment, a person who feels like a fish out of water is struggling because they are not in their usual or comfortable surroundings. This idiom has been part of the English language for centuries, believed to date back to medieval times. It vividly captures the image of a fish floundering on land, unable to breathe or move as it does in water. Over time, it has become a popular way to express the discomfort of being in an unfamiliar environment or situation. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use a fish out of water. At social gatherings, I've never been good at small talk. So at parties, I always feel like a fish out of water. In a new job, on her first day at the new company, Maria felt like a fish out of water, unsure of what to do. While traveling abroad, without speaking the local language, he felt like a fish out of water, trying to navigate the busy streets. These examples show how this phrase can be applied to various scenarios where one might feel uncomfortable or out of place. To use a fish out of water in a sentence, you typically describe someone or yourself experiencing a situation where they feel uncomfortable or unfamiliar. It can be introduced with verbs like feel, seemed, or looked. For instance, during the advanced dance class, I felt like a fish out of water. Feeling like a fish out of water is a common experience, one that reminds us of the challenges and growth that come with stepping out of our comfort zones. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful expression and how you can use it to describe those all too familiar feelings of being out of place. Remember, it's through these experiences that we often find new waters to navigate confidently. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.